We are on the way to ICC Academy in Sports City, Dubai. Hello friends, today we are in the front of the ICC Academy. When we went there, we witnessed UAE-Israel rugby match. There was a friendship match between two countries and that was truly amazing. You can see TV channel live streaming bus and UAE civil defense vehicle in case of emergency. These all were new to us. Sports teaches you a lot of things. It teaches you life skills, resilience, team spirit. In this match, Israel beats UAE, but rugby was the true winner because it's a friendship match. You can see the security uncles standing there and the players got a royal red carpet welcome. You were the only spectators there. When it comes to cricket, there is no better place to train than at ICC Academy in Dubai. Since opening in 2009, the venue has become the hotspot for not just the stars of tomorrow, but also the top international players like Virat Kohli, Sachin Tendulkar, Shahid Afridi were just some of the players who visited here. Hope you enjoyed our ICC Academy day. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to Queen's Fun Zone. Bye! Stay happy and rise up.